In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily auto-reply to text messages on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and the first step, head over to Settings and then tap right here at Focus. Now, guys, first off, we need to create driving focus mode. Here I got one, but if you don't, I'm just gonna quickly delete mine. If you don't have it, just hit right here at plus and then select driving and then tap at customize focus. The mode is already created and now we can enter it to configure. Driving mode is activated automatically when the iPhone thinks you are driving, and while it is activated, everyone who sends you a message will get an auto-reply message. To configure it, tap at auto-reply right over here. At the top, we can configure whom we would like to send auto-reply messages. We can select no one, recents, favorites, or all contacts. And also down below we can see auto-reply message text. It says, I'm driving with the focus turned on. I'll see your message when I arrive at my destination. And if you want to change this text, you can easily do so using your keyboard. Now, guys, also we can, if it is necessary, turn on driving mode manually. To do that, just swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. Now, as you can see, the Do Not Disturb focus mode is activated. However, if we tap right here, we can easily switch it to driving focus mode manually, so that now any user who sends us a text message will get an auto-reply message. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.